Imagine waking up every morning knowing your income didn't stop while you slept. Not because you worked late into the night, but because you built systems, smart, simple, sustainable systems that generate cash flow whether you're cooking, helping your kids with homework, or taking a quiet moment for yourself. Today I'll show you 4 passive income streams for stay-at-home moms, but not the typical ones you've heard before. These are practical, creative, and scalable strategies built around your life, not against it, to help you build a happy, successful family you deserve. This isn't just about earning money, it's about building freedom. The freedom to choose how you spend your time without sacrificing financial security. Stay with me to the very end, because each idea builds on the next and could change how you view money forever. Here's the honest truth you need to know. Depending solely on your spouse's paycheck or one source of income leaves your family exposed. Emergencies don't just knock, they are there, and inflation also won't wait either. But here's the good news. As a mom, you already manage the most complex project on earth, your home. You handle logistics, emotions, education, and schedules daily. What if you could convert that experience into steady income streams? Let me walk you through 4 powerful ideas that could quietly start building your financial independence. Passive income stream number 1. Partner with local farmers to sell produce via prepaid subscriptions. This is a type of community-supported agriculture where you act between the farmers and consumers. Have you noticed how more people crave fresh, organic farm produce but hate going to busy markets? You can build a business around that demand. Here's what you'll need to do. Step 1. Partner with 1 or 2 local farmers who need consistent buyers. Step 2. Offer prepaid weekly or monthly produce boxes to families in your neighborhood. They pay upfront, you deliver regularly. Step 3. Use WhatsApp groups, flyers, and word of mouth to build your customer base. Why should you consider starting this? Because people buy food no matter what happens in the economy. You're not farming, you're organizing, a skill moms excel at. Prepayments give you immediate cash flow. And here's the kicker. Once you build trust, customers stay loyal for months, even years. This isn't theory. Many moms have turned this into profitable local ventures that later scale into online stores. Passive income streams number 2. Design and sell faith-based digital products. Now, period. Let's talk about a niche that's growing silently. Faith-based digital products. From Bible journaling templates to scripture-based wall art, moms are quietly earning steady passive income by selling simple digital products people love. Here's how to start. Use Canva to design prayer trackers, faith-based printable planners, scripture flashcards for kids, inspirational quote posters. Upload and sell on Etsy, PayHip, Gumroad, Amazon KDP store, or even direct to your community via WhatsApp or Facebook. Why it works. Products are easy to create, requiring little tech knowledge. No shipping or inventory headaches. Once designed, they sell repeatedly with little ongoing work. Just focus on micro niches within faith-like products for Christian moms, Sunday school resources, or teen devotionals. Remember, people invest more emotionally in their faith. Your products serve both spiritual needs and your family's financial goals. Passive income streams number 3. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Let's shift from selling to silent earning. Dividend stocks pay you just for holding them. These companies share profits regularly, giving you quarterly or monthly payouts. Start small. Apps like Bamboo, Resavest, Robinhood, or Trove make this easy globally. Focus on utility companies, consumer staples, dividend-focused ETFs. Example, invest $100 every 3 months you receive dividend payouts. Reinvest those dividends to grow your future income. Why this is a smart idea is because stocks grow over time. Dividends pay you consistently. It's 100% passive once invested. And here's the secret. Slow, consistent investing beats fast, flashy profits. Picture it, one day, your dividends cover groceries, kids' school fees, or even vacations. Last but not the least. Passive income streams number 4. Create and publish short story eBooks for kids. What stories do your children love? What bedtime lessons do you repeat? Turn those into short story eBooks. Write simple 10 to 15 page stories. Hire affordable illustrators from Fiverr or Canva's image library. Upload to Amazon Kindle, Sealer, Google Playbooks. Focus on life lessons, cultural stories, or educational adventures. This works perfectly because parents worldwide want meaningful, screen-friendly books. Once published, your books keep selling every day. Each sale is passive cash earned while you cook, clean, or rest. As we conclude, listen closely, and I need you to believe this. You are not limited by your situation. You're not just a mom. You're a leader, a strategist, the CEO of your home. And starting today, you can also be the CEO of your finances. Each of these passive income streams isn't just a side idea, it's a door to freedom, peace of mind, and the confidence that your family's future is secure because you took action. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, wealth isn't built by the boldest, it's built by the most consistent. So pick one idea today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Focus, learn, build, and let momentum carry you forward. Because at the end of the day, the best financial strategy isn't waiting, it's starting. Drop a comment below. Which idea will you start with? And if you found value in this, click subscribe to Alent Finance. Let's build real, lasting wealth together, one smart decision at a time. See you in the next video. Your future self will thank you.